Many pianists aim for clean, precise, in-control playing. It feels safe, it feels professional. But here's the danger. When you obsess over control, you start to lose the music itself. Clean playing can feel satisfying for the performer, but control can become a cage. The phrasing and energetic fields flatten, rubato becomes mechanic or disappears, and the piece loses its soul. Control isn't expression. It's rather a practice tool and should never be the goal. Truly expressive playing always feels a little dangerous but super satisfying. Whether it is Hofmann or Tchaikovsky building up mighty, almost crazy tension, or Alfred Cortot dreaming a daring dream, it stretches, it releases, it asks questions, gives surprising answers, and doesn't always land safely. But even if something happens, the magic stays, because the musical material is a thought, a feeling, an electromagnetic expression. If you only play to avoid mistakes, you'll also avoid magic. At this point, it's important to state that when I talk about wrong notes or slips, I mean on a very high artistic level. Too many wrong notes, especially learned ones, or wrong notes because of technical problems, is a different story. The wrong notes I'm referring to in this series are slips that happen because of musical intentions and musical expressions, so to speak, good wrong notes. And these audiences don't remember. They remember goosebumps. They remember silence that pulled them in, or a phrase that felt like it was sung just for them. Perfection is forgettable. Feeling is not. Your technique is a brush, not a ruler. Use your emotional and music skills to shape the piece. By music, I mean actually your nervous system, transmitting an emotion to the listener's nervous system. And this process can never be destroyed by mechanical play, technical tricks and quick fingers only. Rubato. Articulation, tone, these aren't decorations. They're the message itself. Technique should open the music, not close it. Stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be true. Trust yourself. Trust your emotional ear. And let go of the need to control everything. That's where great music begins. Practice and refine as much as humanly needed. That goes without saying, but if that's done with control in mind, meaning no mistakes, it lost its purpose already at the start. Control is a part of practice, but in performance it should serve freedom of emotion, depicted through music. Let your playing move someone, not because it's flawless, but because it's fearless. If you are interested in this topic, please check out the Music Wide Open podcast, episode 17, Perfection, and episode 3, Natural Music Making. Also, in the series The Code of Music, there is a video about perfection with more on that topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.